Good morning, guys. So finally we are making a vlog again, and this is finally we are on a long ride, as you can see. And this Kevin, the social biker. Now we are here, and we are going to Statue of Unity. So please follow us in our journey, and we'll show you. We are doing Statue of Unity in 2 days course, and we'll show you. So first Mumbai to Vadodara, and then Vadodara to Statue of Unity, and then back. So keep following us, and I'm sure you will be excited to see a lot of scenes, which is good. Cheers.
Cheers. So guys, we are at Fountain Hotel and we have done all the documentation since it's a club ride. So we have done all the documentation over here, and this is the call of riders biking the form. If you're going in a club, my suggestion is to get this form filled, because this will give you the details of the bikers' emergency details and also a disclaimer stating that they have agreed to all the rules and conditions and they have willingly joined the ride. So your documentation ho gaya. Now we'll go for the briefing, and please keep following. Keep watching, and if you want to see something exciting, just go ahead and subscribe this channel. Thank you. We have just reached Hotel Aurora. It's raining like hell. The riding conditions are not good. We're riding slow at around 40 kilometers per hour. So guys, took our first halt at Hotel Aurora, and as I said, the rains are screwing it up. बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश है और उसकी वजह से हम 60-80 max. So we are waiting for few riders. Yeah, let's see. But the climate is amazing in terms of the temperature. तो मज़ा तो बहुत आ रहा है, but we are going slow. So follow us and see. आपको बताता हूँ how the rain riders. हीरो भाई, कैसे मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं रेन राइड?
जोरदार!
अरे क्या बात है,
गुजराती में जोरदार!
आपके गांव जा रहे हैं ना?
हाँ।
Good morning, guys. So day 2 in Vadodara. So today we are going to Statue of Unity, and also while coming back from Statue of Unity, we are going to explore the Lakshmi Villa Palace. So we have done the breakfast. Yesterday night we checked into the hotel. There was some flood scare, but everything is fine. I think most of the things are overhyped over here, so it's better not to believe until you see everything. So everyone is safe and everything is fine over here. Now we are getting ready. So you can see Jitu and Kevin getting decked up. We are yet again riding to Statue of Unity, and it's going to be fun. So yes, keep following, and many good things to see on the further vlog. Yes. So guys, we have almost reached Statue of Unity, just like 2 kilometers ahead, and we are really excited about this, and बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. तो अभी आप आगे जाते हैं और आपको बहुत अच्छा फुटेज मिलने वाला है Statue of Unity का, and we'll give you some synopsis after we be going there. Okay. Here we see, welcome to the Statue of Unity. This is the place. Superb. The feeling is. Morning, guys. Day three. So we are exiting Vadodara now, and the scenes are not good. So finally, we did Statue of Unity. We did try to visit Sardar Sarovar Dam, but it was closed. And I hope you like this video. And please give a thumbs up if you like. And just want to show the current situation. We are kind of stuck, but we are trying to get our bikes out anyhow. So the entire road is flooded. It's on my left, and the entire route is flooded, so we are wondering how to get the bikes out. So hopefully we will get it. So anyways, closing the vlog right now, and maybe I'll show a few scenes of riding towards Mumbai. So anyways, all the best, cheers, and please do subscribe. The social bikers always say cheers.